Hello friends, welcome to my channel Java Board. Today let's discuss the topic related to the 2024 the board paper that has released the previous year. The student has been written the exam for 2024 board exam that has for the computer application. Let's discuss that paper today. Okay, so the question one. The question, consider the above picture, choose the correct statement from the following statement. The polygon is an object and the picture is a class. Both the polygon and the picture are the classes. The polygon is a class and the picture is an object. Yes, this is the correct answer. So if we consider this is a class, so these are all what? Objects. We can create n number of objects for class. Correct, right? Next, int x is equal to 98, the character ch is equal to char of x. So they are doing what kind of conversion? The explicit conversion they are doing here. What is the value of ch? So x is 98 that I am converting to my character type. Int is 4 byte and character is 2 byte. So I am converting integer to character. So the data loss will be there here. What will be the ASCII value of 98? The 98 ASCII value is what? B. Okay, the output of the statement, the concentration, the index of t. Okay, I need to write the index first. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 is my index. 6 I need to opt. Then the access specifier that gives the least accessibility, that is the private. The output of the statement, talent dot compared to genius, talent. Okay, so t and g, what's the ASCII value of t? T ASCII value is 116, g ASCII value is 103, so difference is 13. Next, so which of the following is an escape sequence for the character? So escape sequence, so we use /n and /t are the escape sequences. This is \n. Okay, this is \t. So we used to write the comment line like this, right? So these are all the correct options we need to pick. This is the correct one. Next, if a greater than b and b greater than c, so this is the logical AND condition. The logical AND condition, for example, a and b are the inputs, the output I will write it here. So 0 and 0, the output will be 0. 1 and 0, 0. 0 and 1, 0. 1 and 1, 1. Only if the both the inputs are true, the output will be true. Here, for example, if I take int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 3. Okay, now the largest number is a because a is greater than b and then b is greater than c, the implying that a is the largest among all three. Correct, right? So now a we need to consider as the largest number. Next, what is the output of mat.ceil? 5.4. Ceil means I need to go upwards. So this is 6.0 plus mat.ceil, again ceil, I need to go for upwards. 4.0 here. 6 plus 4, no 4. This is not 4, this is 5.0. Then that is what? 11.0. Next, the method to check whether the character is a letter or a digit. So is letter or a digit is a method. Correct, right? This one. The extension of Java source code file. Source code means the developer who going to write the Java code, that is Java source code. The extension is .java. So once I start compiling that file, I will get what? .class file, the compiled file extension. Next, the number of bytes occupied by the character array of 4 rows and 3 columns. So write it here, 4 row into 3 column. Okay, 4 3 is a 12. 12 elements will be there. Okay, what's the how many bytes the character occupied? A character contain 2 byte. Correct, right? 12 into 2, 24. Okay, next. Which of the following data type cannot be used in switch statement? You cannot use double or floating values in switch expression. Next, which of the following are entry control loop? The entry control loop means the condition we're going to check at the initial stage only. So for and while we're going to check, this is exit control loop, and the switch is what? Multi way branching loop. Next, so answer is what? 1 and 2. I need to pick 1 and 2 here. Next, method which reverse a given number. The method which reverse a given number, that is what? The pure method. Okay, so for this I will give you one example. Please check here. So the method which reverse a given number is a pure method. So here I will construct the public class reverse number. This is the method to reverse. This is a static method that I have created, which accepts one of the parameter as number. So int reverse is equal to 0. Initially the reversed constructed one variable, the local variable. The value of that variable is 0, while the number not equals to 0, whichever whatever the number they have passed here, so that will come to here. While the number not equals to 0, I will check that condition. So I'm getting the last index using the mod operator. I'm doing what? I'm picking the last digit by doing the mod operation of 10. Next, reversed is equal to reversed plus digit. So appending the digit to the reverse value. Then I'm removing the last digit, because on every iteration I need to leave the last digit. Then I will get the reverse number. So I'm sending the returning the reverse number, because it's a static method of int type. I'm sending that number. I'll construct the main method. Initially the original number was 1 2 3 4 5. Then the reversed is equal to, I'm passing the original value to my reverse. So this will calls to this will call this method. Now the return value I need to capture, right? The reverse value of int get captured. This is a call by pure method. Then system.out.print of original value. The original value call 1 2 3 4 5. Now the value which got reversed by passing the number 1 2 3 4 5 to the reverse method, it will invoke this method. It's a static method. I don't need any kind of object reference. Now this will reverse the number. So here please check the output. The original number 1 2 3 4 5, the reverse number is 5 4 3 2 1. So there is no alteration here. The numbers will stay remains. If I call int dot original number system dot out dot print original number, I will get 1 2 3 4 5 only. Correct, right? So this is the pure method. Clear? Next, if the name of the class is yellow, what can be the possible name for the constructor? The constructor name will has similar as the class name. Next, invoking a method by passing the object of the class is termed as what? So we can term as the call by reference. I will give one example for this also. Okay, so invoking a method by passing the object of the class is termed as call by reference. I constructed one class. This is my what kind of variable? This is my global variable. I constructed one of the constructor. I'm creating one of the parameter. This is parameterized constructor. To inside the body of the constructor, to remove the confusion using this keyword. Now this is my what variable? This is my instance variable and my the parameterized variable that I am passing the value. Again I constructed one of the method, one of the class. So in that class, public static void modify, in that it accepts one of the parameter has object. The object dot value, the same value means global variable I am taking. I am passing the value as 100. Modifies the original object here. Next, public static void main string args. This is my main method. I constructed the class. My class is equal to my object is equal to new my class of 10. The 10 I am passing here. So system.out.print before modification, the output will be, I'm calling my object dot value. The my object dot value will point to this. So here the output will be 10 only. Then modify dot object, I'm passing my the references here, correct, right? In this case, the output will, once I modify the operation by referring my to the object, now the output will be 10. Please check here. Okay, next, the correct statement to create an object name called mango. The object name should be like what? Object name is mango, then class name fruit. Okay, so class name will come first, fruit, they need mango is equal to new fruit. This is constructor. So which is the one? This is the one. Next, assertion. Static method can be accessed in static and instance variable. No, that is condition is true, means condition is false. Again, the static variable can be accessed only by the static methods. False. That is also false. Both assertion and reasoning are correct. The assertion, both assertion and reasoning are false. Next, what is the output of the Java code given below? Okay, they have given string array. In that 0 1 2 I will do. Okay, next, system.out.print 2. Okay, this one it will go to dot length. Okay, VIOLET 0 1 2 3 4 5. So answer will be 6, because length means index minus 1. It will give, what's the index? So total index is 5. 5, sorry, plus 1 to 6. Next, okay, which of the mathematical methods runs only an integer? So the ceil, it will return double, square root return double, floor, all this return double, only round will return what? Integer value. Next, I will go to the question B of section A. How to write this? So once you encounter this kind of operator, that is called pipe operator, we can call this is absolute. Okay, I will write math dot absolute of a plus b divided by math dot square root of math dot power of a comma 2 plus math dot power of b comma 2. So I will close this because the power is applied to both. The return type I need to write now. So double C. Clear? So I need to end up with semicolon. Next, evaluate the expression when x is equal to 4. Okay, x is equal to 4. I will rewrite this expression. X is equal to x plus bracket x post increment pre increment mod 2. Okay, 4 plus x plus plus the post increment, I need to take the same value 4, but here it will increment to 5 into, so 5 becomes now 6 because of pre increment, 6 mod 2, 4 plus, so which is a more weightage here, 6 mod 2. So 6 mod 2 means what? I will get what? The remainder as 0. Next, into 4. 4 zeros are 0 plus 4. 4 is the answer. The final answer is what? 4. Next, read the following do while program and rewrite the following do while program segment using for loop. So how to do the rewrite operation? the rewrite operation, the for loop need three component. One is initialization. Where is initialization? X is equal to 10. So I will make the global variable int x comma int y. Okay, I made this global variable. Component 1 is ready. Next component is the condition check x. Okay, where is increment structure? Yes, here is increment structure x plus plus. Next, I will take the printing statement inside system.out.print x into y. Here only I will do one thing, x plus plus. Okay, this are done, this is done. Okay. Next, give the output of the following program segment, how many times the loop executes and what output it generate. Okay, here observe there is no bracket. Okay, the bracket is missing. So here this line definitely encounter with what error, because the x variable is out of reach. So the error in the sense, in this line we will get the error has cannot find x, because so the immediate printing statement it will consider as a true, but here the x is not available, because if I make the global variable, for example int x, in that case it will be available, but this statement is not there. So here this is the immediate printing statement, it going to work, but after that there is one printing statement using the same variable, that is not possible. You will end up with an error, x is out of scope, or unable to so undeclared variable, or one more type we can say undeclared variable x. Likewise an error will get triggered, the loop won't get run. The output of the program segment is end up with an error statement. Okay, next, string s1 is equal to 45.0 and string s2 is 54.50. Okay, so they are converting to the primitive data type. Here the value will get stored is what, 45.50 without double quotes. S2 means 54.50. Next, sum of 45.50 plus 54.50, that is 100.0, correct, right? I am casting to what, I am converting to the integer type. So this is the reference data type, explicit conversion. So conversion, definitely I will get what, 100, x value is 100. Consider the following program, two-dimensional array, and answer the question given below. So here the question is, what is the order of the array? So I will rewrite this: 4 3 2 7 8 2 8 3 10 1 2 9. Okay, how many rows? 1 2 3 4 rows are there. 4 row into how many columns? 1 2 3 columns. 3 columns. The order of the array is what? 4 into 4 into 3. Okay, what is the value of x of 0? So 0 0 1 2 3 0 1 2. Okay, the order of 0 and 0 of 0 is 4 plus 2 of 2 and this is 2, 10, 14. So 14 is the answer. Clear? Next, difference between boxing and unboxing. For this I have prepared one. The difference between boxing and unboxing. The boxing is a process of converting a primitive data type into its corresponding object wrapper class. Here the example, int a is equal to 10. This is the primitive data type that I am storing the value 10 in my variable called a. Now I am converting to the wrapper class integer b is equal to a. So the a become now a got passed to the object called b. What is unboxing? Unboxing is a process of converting a wrapper class object back to its corresponding primitive data type. Means reverse of it. So integer b is equal to 25. and then I am converting to the primitive data type using the wrapper class reference integer dot parse means convert. The integer is a wrapper class. I am converting to the primitive data type. If I call C means system.out.print C, I will get 25. Clear? Next, write the following code compared to strings is compiled. The following syntax error was displayed. Incompatible type. Int cannot be converted to boolean. Identify the statement which has the error and rewrite the code given statement. So output of the program will be given. Okay, void calculate is the method. So they have given string a is equal to king, string b is equal to kingdom. Boolean, the comparative, okay, the comparative method returns what? The comparative method will returns integer. So that is the fault. Integer I need to. So comparative method won't return boolean, means true or false it won't return. The comparative method return integer value. Next, system.out.print. Okay, so they are asking for output also after correcting. Okay, I will do that. Okay. A value is what? King, K-I-N-G. B value they are comparing with B, no? K-I-N-G-D-O-M. Okay, K-I-N-G. Okay, this is nothing now, empty. So here 3 components left out. Okay, now I need to go for length. So the length is 0 here. Here the length is 3. The length is 3 because 0 minus 3, that is minus 3 is the answer. Clear? Next, consider the given program and answer the following question given below. The class temp int a, this is my what variable? This is my global variable. Next, temp is the, okay, the similar as class name. Now this is my constructor, that is of what? Default constructor without parameters. Next, okay, in that I am passing a to 10 because a is the global variable, that I am passing 10. Now the a value is what here? A is equal to 10. Next, here I will do int z. This is the same, but this is parameterized constructor. I am passing z to my a. What's the value of z? Initially whatever the user going to pass, that going to stored in my a. Correct, right? Then void print, I need to print the whatever the value. In main method they have created one default parameter, means they have created the object temp, so the default parameter will get invoked. Next, they have constructed one parameter variable and they are passing 30. Now z value is, z is equal to 30, that z got transferred to my a. Now a value is 30 here. Clear? So t dot print means t dot print, it will call what? Default constructor it will call. So t dot print call 10. Correct, right? Next, x dot print we are passing, here is the x dot print we are passing 30. So this is the output it generate. Next, so what concept of oops is displayed in the above program in the two constructors. The two constructors we are using method called the constructor overloading. Constructor overloading, or you can say the polymorphism. Next, so what is the output of the method main? The output of the method main, it will bring 10 and 30. Next, primitive data type are built in data types which are the part of the wrapper class. These wrapper class are encapsulated in the java.lang package because there is a default pack. Non-primitive data type like scanner class are the part of utility package for which of the object need to be created, to which package the character and boolean belongs to. The character and boolean are the what? They are given full name here. Please check the character and the boolean. These two are what? The wrapper classes. These two are wrapper classes. These two are wrapper classes. Next, write the statement to access the scanner class in the program. To access the scanner class, what I need? First, I need to take the import Java is a main package, java dot util dot s should be capital scanner. This is the library I need to import. Next, I need to construct the object. How to construct the object? In the scanner, SC is equal to new scanner. It accepts one of the parameter, that is system dot in. So here scanner is a class, I need to make it capital, and system is also class. Okay, this is the way I need to bring the import to my source code. Util pack the scanner belongs to. Then next, the scanner is a class, so SC is my object, and new is the memory space that created by the JVM, and it accepts one of the parameter, that is system dot in.